Do you hate the idea of meal prepping because you think it means eating the same boring food every single day?
Yes!
Well, what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? Let's break free from the meal monotony together. Check it out. Now trust me, I love variety just as much as the next person, even though I personally don't mind eating the same dish for a week or two. That's just how good the dishes on my recipe board are. But I know it's not for everybody. So I'm going to show you how to create a week's worth of high protein meals that are as varied as your favorite anime plot twists.
これが本物のノートです。
Say goodbye to the boring meals and hello to the delicious variety that fits into your busy lifestyle. So step number 1, plan your meal with variety. To avoid boredom, think of your meal like an RPG. You need a balanced party with different characters. Mix up your proteins, veggies, and carbs. For instance, for your protein, you can have chicken, tofu, ground beef, lentils. For your veggies, you can have bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and spinach. For your carbs, you can have quinoa, brown rice, or even whole potatoes. So step 2, cook in bulk, but season separately. Here's where the fun begins. Cook your proteins, carbs, and veggies in bulk, but season them differently to keep things exciting. So for your chicken, you might make one batch with Cajun seasoning, and then another batch with lemon herb marinade. Or your veggies, you can roast some with olive oil and rosemary, and saute others with garlic and soy sauce. This way, you can mix and match throughout the week, creating new flavors every single day. Step number 3, versatile recipes. Choose recipes that can be easily tweaked. Think of them as base characters that can be customized. So for stir fry, start with a basic recipe and switch up the sauces. One day is teriyaki, the next day is Szechuan. For burrito bowls, you can use the base of rice and beans and then change the proteins and toppings. Chicken and guac one day, beef and salsa the next day. And then for salads, keep the greens fresh, but then switch to add-ins. So you can have Greek salad one day and then taco salad the next day.
Write that down, write that down!
Step number 4, smart storage. Store your prep food in clear containers so you can see what's inside. Label them with the date and what's in there. This helps with planning and prevents waste. That way you won't be eating something that's a month old. I know you. Step number 5, accept the trade-offs. Yes, fresh meals every day taste amazing, but they eat up your time, no pun intended. Meal prepping saves you hours each week, hours you can spend leveling up, playing with your kids, or even binge watching your latest anime. So be wary of that. I call this slow cooking magic. So you can throw all 5 pounds of that into a slow cooker with your favorite seasonings while you watch your favorite anime episode or season. Once it's all done, divide it into 5 even freezer bags. Now we can get into the fun of things. On day 1, you can call it taco day. Seasoning it with some taco seasoning for some killer chicken tacos. On another day, you can use another batch for some fresh salad with your favorite veggies and a light vinaigrette. On another day, you can warm up another batch with some sugar-free barbecue sauce and serve them on keto buns for barbecue chicken sliders. And then on day 4, you might toss a batch into a hot pan with mixed veggies and teriyaki sauce for a quick stir fry. On day 5, you might want some chicken wraps. So you can lose that last batch for some high protein chicken wraps with whole wheat tortillas and some greens and light dressing. By prepping this way, you ensure that you're getting high protein meals that support your muscle building and fat loss. Plus, you're never stuck eating the same meal twice in a row. All right, that's it for today. Meal prepping does not have to mean boring meals. With a bit of planning and creativity, you can enjoy a variety of delicious, healthy meals all week long. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and share your own favorite meal prep tips in the comments below. Let's keep each other inspired and on track. Until the next time, stay fit, stay healthy, and keep enjoying the things that you love. Peace out.